All right, now we're leaving fucking this area because it's cold. Colorado's cold. They got some fucking magical spring storms coming. It sound like winter storms to me, but our seasons are obviously messed up real bad because I'm sunburnt in a place now where the sun don't even come through before a little bit just to say, oh, hey, how you doing? Then it leaves again. So we woke up fucking freezing cold. My hands are fucking cold, so we packed up. It's rainy. Oh yeah, it's pretty. Oh, Colorado's so pretty. You can't make a damn fire because some jackrabbit fucking decided to make the fucking fire like right in the open when you should make it under a spruce tree, a small fire under a big spruce tree. But you know what? Whatever. So we're gonna head on out of here. We hadn't took a shower in 24 hours or more. And that pretty much sucks. So we're having a shitty time right now. We left Arkansas too early because of devastating assassin ticks everywhere. Jumping all over, getting all over your fucking body, on your ass cheek. I had one on my ass cheek. And I don't like that shit. I don't like no parasites around my genitals. I don't like no parasites on my ass cheek. I don't like no fucking... So we left. Arkansas was beautiful. Actually, the weather was pretty good. It was not that many people. Had a few good sights. Had nice trails. Able to backpack camp, but couldn't because of the onslaught of fucking ticks. So we left that bitch into New Mexico for a few days. It's like in the sun, you're frying up in New Mexico. Then if you get in a little bit of shade, you're freezing cold in the shade. You like take your shirt off, take your long sleeve shirt off, put it back on, back and forth, back and forth. Then all of a sudden, you know, we get sunburnt real bad and can't go hiking no more. Go hike for one day, you're sunburnt. So bad you can't go out in the sun, so you gotta sit under a shade tree somewhere where it's freezing with sunburn. Oh yeah, we're in New Mexico, and then all of a sudden you look down the valley and there's a huge storm coming. You're like, oh wow, look at that! Yeah, guess where that's coming from? The place we're going to next. Woo! Fun, fun, fun! Like a go.